Yeah, I knew the first two. I did not know that one.
You always learn something, huh?
Yeah, you do. And I like presidential trivia too.
I know you do. And it's a little windy to walk anywhere tonight, George.
It sure is. It is definitely cold as well, especially out here on the weather deck. Winds are already gusting and building big waves out on the lake shore. But it is going to continue to be rather windy overnight. That's the main weather headline. Also, the 13 weather ball is red. Milder weather ahead. Temperatures going up all night and during the day tomorrow. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast a late day high of 30. That is to be decided yet. But we've had 11 days in a row where we've been within 3 degrees. Temperatures will go up close to 30 to 32 by midnight tonight, and we'll stay in the mid-30s tomorrow with some clouds and sunshine here tomorrow, and then the winds will turn around to the west. It's mainly going to be windy. Right now, it's in the low and mid-20s, going to be hard-pressed to get up close to that 30 by 11 o'clock, and the winds are already gusting to 41 over here in Muskegon. We have steady winds at 15 miles an hour here in Grand Rapids, but it feels more like the teens. It is definitely a cold night. It was nice to see the sun, but that was rather deceiving. The winds are increasing out ahead of a warm front that will go through later on tonight. That will shift our winds more around to the west, and that'll temper our temperatures just a little bit. But the winds are going to be the big factor here overnight. Gusting, as you saw there, at 41 in Muskegon, pretty close. It may gust to 50 at times there, and then the winds will start to come down a little bit here during the day tomorrow, but they'll still be gusting to 35 plus until the winds turn around to the northwest, and then they'll be a little bit lighter as we get into Friday. Another way to look at it, here in Grand Rapids, you can see those winds between about 30 and 38 miles per hour overnight, and then they'll slowly come down through the night tomorrow night into Friday. So forecast again for tomorrow, we're looking at windy conditions. The winds will start to lighten up in the afternoon as they shift around more to the west, and high temperatures up into the mid-30s. The average high is around 30. More clouds in the later part of the day than they will to start. We'll see some sunshine up north as well. It will be windy as well. You'll have south winds all night that will boost temperatures up to around 33 to 35 by the middle of the afternoon, or maybe even in the morning tomorrow before those winds shift to the west. And from Grand Rapids southward, again, windy tonight, windy during the day tomorrow as we see those highs climb up into the mid-30s. 13 on your side forecast. 32 in the morning, 36 in the afternoon, and then right after midnight, temperatures will fall from 29 down into the mid-20s by daybreak on Friday. We'll end up at 23 by late afternoon, all the way down to 15 on Saturday morning. And then Saturday afternoon, the clouds will again return, 27 in the afternoon, and then some late night snow through Sunday morning. We're talking about an inch or two, so there's not a big system. Cloudy and breezy for the moment on Monday. There might be another system coming on through. We'll update that as we get closer to that. And then next week, getting colder again. Tuesday and Wednesday will be below the average high of 30. We'll make the average here Thursday, and even warmer as we get through the following weekend with warmer temperatures on the way for the early part of February.